Thank you. Hello to all. First of all, I want to thank the organizers of this event for offering me the opportunity to present en avant-première Value Design Compass. It's a result of Value University Research Center. Let me introduce myself. Cédric Berger. It's a certified CBAP, professional certification in business analysis, and certified VMA, Value Methodology Associate. I am the director of Value University that was created 5 years ago with Olaf Demer. It's a private university that brings together trainers, consultants, and researchers who are interested in the development of value method. This university was born following the collective book named Value and Management. It gathers more than 20 members and has trained about 100 people in value method. Let's get started. But I have a deal. I have 20 minutes to present you the result of 4 years of research applied. But I take the deal. Let's go to discover Value Design Compass. What is Value Design Compass? It's a framework that gathers methods, techniques, and tools to analyze and design products and services useful and sustainable. Value Design Compass is based on 3 approaches: business analysis, design thinking, and value analysis. The Value Design Compass integrates the business analysis standards proposed by AIBA through the BA book, Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, and more particularly, the Business Analysis Core Concepts Model. These 6 concepts are the kernel of Value Design Compass. This kernel, also called the Value Compass Rose, indicates 6 cardinal points for conducting value study: change, context, stakeholders, all stakeholders, needs, solutions, and value. Each cardinal points are divided in boxes. Each of these boxes will be filled during the study, as you explore, observe, etc. For each boxes, tools and techniques are proposed. Let's review the boxes of the 6 cardinal points. Unfortunately, we will not have the time to detail all the tools and techniques. We will only see some of them. So, first cardinal point: change. How to understand the demand, the problem. One single box for building a problem statement. Try to understand what the problem is. You don't go to the doctor without a reason, isn't it? Did you know? 80% of all requests are solutions. It is in this box that we try to understand the need behind this solution. Second cardinal point: context. How to understand the context of the study. 4 boxes. Identify the objectives and goals, understand causes, measure the consequence of the causes, and identify constraints. I repeat, each box will be found during the study, not only at the beginning of the analysis. Third cardinal point: stakeholders. How to know all the stakeholders, not only customers. Do you know the difference between the chicken and the pig in the bacon egg? Do you know? The chicken gives an egg, the pig is killed. The chicken is concerned, the pig is involved. These 3 boxes serve to understand that. Identify all people involved in the life cycle of the object study, not only people who use. understanding the interplay of actors and their influences, and the personality of stakeholders. Did you know? In an accident, the most seriously injured are those who scream the least. Interesting, not? Fourth, needs. How to understand the needs. 3 boxes. Gathering needs, elicitation, structure requirements with value tree called FAST for specialists, assessing the value of the need. In this box, we will try to know the importance of the need. For this, we define 3 variables: importance from Moscow, attractiveness from Kano, and current satisfaction. These 3 variables compose what we call the capability of the need. 5th cardinal point, solution. How to find innovative solution. Did you know? For one need, there are at least 8 different ways to respond, according Larry Mize, founder of Value Analysis. This is what we'll be looking for. 4 boxes to do it. Looking for ideas, ideation from design thinking. How to evaluate these ideas that we found, both in terms of quality and quality. The quality value we call the capacity of the need. We'll try to find out if the idea is acceptable, feasible, and what impact it could have on the environment. And quantitative assessment tries to find out all the resources needed, the costs at large, to realize this idea. 6, value. How to choose a solution useful, feasible, viable, and sustainable. 7 boxes. We don't have time to detail all the boxes, but I will present you how to calculate with Value Design Compass the TVO of a solution, total value of ownership. TVO will allow to compare the solution between them. How to measure the interest of a solution? First, we calculate the capability of the solution, its importance, its attractivity, and its response to the needs. How to measure the impact of the solution? We calculate the capacity of the solution, which include the social impact, acceptability, the technical impact, feasibility, and the environmental impact, sustainability. And finally, how to measure the alignment to the objectives. Here, we'll try to measure the gap between the solution, the strategic, and the economic objectives, called VSI, Value Strategic Index. These 3 elements compose the global utility of ownership, capability, capacity, and strategic alignment. We associate to the calculation of the TVO the total cost of ownership, which goes behind the acquisition price and integrate all resources consumed during life cycle of the product. GEO, capability, capacity, and alignment, divided by TCO, all resources consumed, is the TVO of a solution. It's also called value index. We have just seen 20 boxes of Value Design Compass. Now, how to activate Value Design Compass. 3 activators: mindset, process mind, and wheels. I love these pictures. To implement Value Design Compass, you have to follow these 10 principles. Critical thinking, holism, see at large, all stakeholders, not only customer, need versus solution, needs-oriented, total costs, all resources, creativity, collective intelligence, more intelligent in 10 heads than one, cooperation, value-oriented, select solutions which create more value, and frugality, do more with less. If you want to implement Value Design Compass quickly, just answer these 6 questions. What is the purpose of the project? Who is it for? Ask who is for what is for. Ask those who know how to do it better. What is enough and what to do. Keep asking continuously. To implement Value Design Compass, you can also follow the iterative process, which includes 4 ways. This process is the result of the design thinking approach implemented by IDEO by Tim Brown, especially the double diamonds, the 5 phases of the processes: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. Also integrated VM guide designed by SEV International and the European standard EN 12973 of 2020. Here are the 6 steps that constitute the 4 wheels of value design process. Understand demand, gather needs, analyze needs, look for solutions, explore solutions, and finalize solution. And turning the wheels and drive the innovation process. In a nutshell, Value Design Compass is composed of 6 cardinal points of a value design study, 21 boxes to analyze and design innovative solutions, and more than 30 tools and techniques from business analysis, design thinking, and value analysis. And the 3 activators to implement the Value Compass rows: mindset, process mind, and wheels. This is Value Design Compass. Now, let's take some time for some example. A case study. This case study takes place in Swiss watch manufacturer. More exactly, in the commercial department, about training expense. In 2019, this department spent $486,000. The main objective were to reduce costs by 20% and get more satisfaction for the sales force. And finally, increase competency. We implement Value Design Compass to answer to their requests. Example about context. Looking for objectives. We found 4 more specific objectives: promote better team cohesion, fostering customer relations, develop international sales skills, have better visibility of short and medium term of sales. Examples about stakeholders. Identify stakeholders in the commercial life cycle. We found this list of stakeholders. Stakeholders involved before the sale process, stakeholders involved during the sale process, and those who are involved after the sale. And we analyze the influence of stakeholders. We create a matrix of influence. On this axis, influence, and on this axis, impact for the stakeholders. Analyze personality of stakeholders. We use many templates, as you can see. Examples about needs, especially concerning the structuring of needs. Here, you can see a grouping of needs by family. It helps to create a fast diagram, a value tree. And understand the interest of needs with capabilities. You have the list here of the needs, and you can see importance with Moscow, attractiveness with Kano, and actual satisfaction. Examples of solutions. Find ideas which answer to needs. For each need, at least one solution or more. Examples of value. Compare the value of solutions. For each solution, calculate global utility of ownership, GUO. Contains capability, capacity, alignment, and total cost of ownership, TCO. And after, compare them with value lines. We can clearly see which scenario has the best TVO, total value of ownership, this one. Another example to compare the value of solution, the value matrix. Here, you can compare the capability of the solution, the more interests, versus capacity of the solution, less impact. So, finally, our goal was to reduce costs by 20% and to better respond to needs. So, we have reduced expenses by 20%, perfect, and increased satisfaction by 31%. Bets won! This is Value Design Compass. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to Value Analysis Canada. Thank you all. Please, what do you think about this? I'm very anxious to hear your opinions. See you.